How to block someone in Heyoo. Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to block a person in Heyoo. So right now, all you need to do to block a person in Heyoo, for some reason you just want to block their content. When you block the person, you automatically block their content. You won't able to see the content or whatnot, and yeah, you won't be able to have any contact with them. So here, on today's video I'll be showing you how just to do all of that. All we do is open up your Heyoo account right here and choose a person you want to block. For example, right here, we're going to choose this person right here. And then to block this person, click on the three dots on the top right corner right here. As you can see, once clicking on the three dots on the top right corner right here, you will see a block right there, just below the follow. Click on block. So once you turn that on, as you can see, once we go back, refresh it a bit, there you can see it's blocked right now. So once we go back, refresh this, now it's gone. So that person will not pop right here anymore because you have blocked that person. So now how do we unblock a person? All you need to do is click right here on the bottom right corner. After pressing on the bottom right corner, the icon right there, you will see the settings icon in top right corner. And then after pressing on the settings icon in top right corner, you will see privacy right there. Here in the privacy, click on right here, privacy, and you will see blacklist right here. As you can see right now, blacklist right there. So to unblock this person, click on that right there, click on the three dots, and then just click on the yellow thingy, and it will unblock the person right there. But as you can see right now, if you want to stay unblocked, stay blocked right there. So yeah, there you guys, that's how you do it. That's how you block and then unblock person here on Heyoo. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question concerns, type it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on How to Rock It, guys. There you guys, and thank you guys.